In this video, I'm going to show how to use the filters dialog window in DarkMark. So let's load up a project here. This project has vehicles. Well, let's bring up the classes. There you go. So it's got 8 classes. This is a project that I often use for videos I'm uploading to YouTube. It's quite simple. The filters, there you go. There's a new menu at the bottom here, and it's also the keyboard shortcut letter F for filters, lowercase f. This is what it looks like. So this tells me I have 7,699 images in the data set. I can remove empty images, and then you'll see the number go down, 7411. I can remove non-annotated images. We'll go down even more, 1124. And then I can take my individual classes, and I can say, you know what, I just want to see some traffic lights and bicycle and motorcycle, for example. And then this tells me I've got 464 images that qualify. So if I hit apply, there you go. Now I can only see the 464 images that are described by the filters here. So at this point, DarkMark only knows about these images. If you generate the darknet files at this point, it'll be based on just these 464 images. So make sure you reset the filters before you generate your project. But this is also a good thing when you're reviewing. So if I want to see, for example, if I want to review just motorcycles and bicycles, well, actually, let's just review this right here. So when I press the letter Z for review, you'll see that it skips all the vehicles, and it's just showing me the classes that I have selected. So now I've got several motorcycles here at the beginning. Now I've got bicycles. Here's some traffic lights. So this is a good use of the filters. One other thing I haven't described yet is the age of annotation one. Let's do all classes. So I've got 1,124 images that are annotated, but I can use this to say, you know what, only show me things that I've annotated in the last hour or the last day or the last week. And this slider bar here is going to help with that. So now here's the 7 images, the 7 last images, or the 7 most recent images where the annotations were changed or saved. And as I increase this, now this project I haven't used in a long time, so the annotations actually haven't changed in a while, except for those 7. So there you go. Now I've increased it high enough that I would get 395 images. These are the most recent 400 so images that were annotated with this particular project. And when you set it back down to 0, then it includes all of the annotations. So that's how that works. Hope this was useful. As usual, you can find me on the Darknet YOLO Discord. I'll provide a link below. If you have any suggestions, you can post them there, or you can send me an email. Thanks.